Now our next transaction is of 4th January 2020, and it says security deposit paid by cash for shop taken on rent. Now security deposit is neither a fixed asset nor a current asset because it is kept by your shop owner till you leave the shop. Means it is for the long period of time, but it doesn't directly contribute in your operations. So that's why it's not a fixed asset. It is not used for any management purpose, and it is not current asset because it is not recoverable within 1 year of period. So it can be considered as an other asset. So I'll just copy this description and I'll go to Peachtree, and let's find a suitable area for security deposit. And let's also see that maybe we already have this security deposit. So in the other assets we have investments, land held, buildings held, and accumulated depreciation. So we can actually create a new account between these ledgers. So 1510 and 1530, that means there is a gap that is deliberately provided. So what I'll do is 1520 is free, so I'll just create a new account in 1520 code, 1520, and that is security deposit, and we will book it as other assets and then save it and close. Now 1520, let's see, security deposit. Now let's paste this description that we copied, press tab. Amount is 30,000, so 30,000, press tab, go on the second line, and credit is cash in hand, so 30,000 is credit cash in hand. Actually the description is not copied properly, so I'll just copy and paste it again, paste. So security deposit is 30,000, all okay. Let's check it once again. Debit is security deposit, credit is cash, all done. Now click save, and let's move to the next entry.